Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make TikTok videos longer than 1 minute. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to make TikTok videos longer than a minute, you need to simply tap open your TikTok. Once you simply open your TikTok, you can find this plus like icon in the middle of the screen. Simply tap it on, and once you simply tap it on, all you gotta do now is simply use two different methods. There on screen you can find the option called 60 seconds and 10 minutes. You can simply use this in-app recorder to record 60 seconds long video or even 10 minutes long video. So if you want to use your other method as well, then you can go to your gallery and select any of the video that is longer than a minute and simply upload it through TikTok. So if you want to follow this simple and easy method, you can simply make TikTok videos longer than a minute. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.